Yeah. Hey, everyone. Nice to see you again. It's been a couple months, but we're glad to start doing these community meetings again. Today is the protocol meeting where we'll give you an update, go over some testnet issues that we went over yesterday, and then go over staking wars, get some protocol updates, and talk about a new initiative, an office hours initiative with protocol. And with me today is Chetna. She is going to be kind of taking the lead here, and yeah, I'll leave it with you. At any time, if you have any questions, just drop them in the chat or use a little Q&A button at the bottom, and we'll address those as they come.
Awesome. Thank you, Josh. Hey, everyone. I'm Chetna Desai. I'll be here doing protocol updates for you folks. First off, so we did have a successful launch of phase 1 of sharding to mainnet. The version was 1.29.0 on September 21st. However, the process of voting, all the nodes has to get upgraded to the latest version. So we have about, from the time we release on 21st to actually upgrade the network to the latest version was by September 28th. The main feature that, as you all know, that was chunk only producers. So the validators now will be assigned blocks and chunks separately. So either they are producing blocks or chunks. And the other one I would want to call out is the validator uptime kickout threshold was reduced to 80% as opposed to last time. And also the total stake kickout for the validators will not exceed 30% of the total stake. And if you want to learn a little more about it, there's a link I can near core, the latest release. If you go to GitHub, you should be able to see them. And there are a few other changes that you could totally take a look at. So as Josh mentioned, we did release a new version, which is 1.30.0 RC2, the release candidate 2 on October 10th this week. And post-release, we did see some intermittent issues on the testnet. And it is mainly hypothesized because of the mixed nodes between 1.29 version and 1.30 version. They were not upgraded at the right time, which caused to actually circulate bad blocks around the network. There was, however, fix was made for the nodes 0 to 3 in order to kind of mitigate this and bring back the network to the production level. However, we still see intermittent issues. So the team is currently heads down working on this, and you will soon see a release candidate 3 version to be pushed out in order to kind of tackle all the corner case that we are encountering. So again, if you want to see more from the RC2 version details, you can go to GitHub and find all the details there as well. And quickly, as you all know that we missed the last month update, the protocol update, especially because we were all busy with NearCon. And we did have a successful launch of Sweatcoin as well, just an FYI. And along with that, we do have a successful approval of a NEP proposal by a non-Pagoda contributor for the first time. So that is something that I wanted to call out and celebrate as part of the wins. Okay, so moving on to the next one, which is Stake Wars conclusion. So we did conclude the Stake Wars episode 3 on September 9th. Again, just for the ones who are not familiar with the Stake Wars, so this is as part of the technical release that we do, is to test out any new features that we want to release so that you as validator can exercise and battle test all the features and familiarize yourself with, hey, what are the new features? How do they look before we pushing onto the mainnet, right? So Stake Wars provides a lot of incentives for you to actually test out and build out your node and exercise anything that you want to experience, and also give us feedback, right? So this is a great platform for us to also receive feedback in in preparation to the mainnet release for any future releases as well. So we had a really good, successful stake wars. Just to give you some of the statistics here, we had about 18 core and optional challenges and 2 community challenges, and we had overwhelming response and support from the community. Thank you for that. Out of 1,500 nodes who actually participated, 900 participants were eligible for the rewards. Again, thank you for the community on Discord and then coming to us, giving us feedback and supporting Stake Wars. I believe we are still in the process of announcing and rewarding all of those. That would be communicated through Discord anyway. But I just wanted to call out and thank you all for being part of this, which is essential for success of this, any new release or any new technical features that we want to test out. And also watch out for future episodes for Stake Wars, because we need your support for the next phase of sharding, right? So right now we are basically looking for sometime in Feb or March to actually plan out and then announce Stake Wars episode 4. Okay. Moving swiftly on to the next one, which is office hours. We did get a lot of requests for us to host these on a weekly basis, Q&As that we do as part of the protocol meeting here as well. Extend that to an hour for every week rather than once a month, which happens to be along with the protocol updates. So that is going to be held every Thursday, 4 p.m. UTC on Discord. So please join us. And the first instance is actually today. So so with that, I'll hand it over back to Josh. Over to you, Josh.
Yeah, no, totally. Please come hang out with us after this meeting. We'll be in Discord, hanging out in office hours. There's 2 office hours chats. One is a DevRel one, and there's going to be a protocol. Well, actually, there already is a protocol office hours chat that, we'll answer any questions that you have around the protocol. So I'm excited to join that and ask some of the protocol team some questions myself. What is going to happen with this meeting? We just want to know if you guys get value from this, if you enjoy these updates from us. I sent out an email to all the registrants for this, but please feel free to just shoot me a message back if you get value of this, if you enjoy this format. Maybe a different way in which we could provide this information for you would be better. We will upload this to YouTube, and I'll also have a link in the bottom after this recording to solicit your feedback and find out if this is valuable for you. What is do we have another slide, or is this the conclusion? Questions and answers. Yes. We can briefly see if we can answer some questions. We're going to have one of the protocol engineers be able to join us, but they're busy at work, so maybe we can move our Q&A to the Discord section of it. If you have any questions, please drop them. We'll be happy to answer. Otherwise, could probably make it a short, sweet, simple protocol update for y'all. Give it a moment. Let's see if I have any Q&A at the bottom. Cool. Well, thank you so much for joining. We really appreciate your support, and looking forward to hanging out with you in Discord. So come by, see us in about 45 minutes. We'll be there hanging out for the next hour. Thanks so much, Chetna. Appreciate it. Thanks, everyone.